We all enjoy some form of entertainment, but it doesn't mean you have to break the bank just for entertainment. You don't need expensive tickets, subscriptions, or outings to have fun. In fact, some of the best memories come from free or almost free activities. Today, I'm going to share some of my favorite frugal tips for entertainment that prove you can enjoy life without overspending. And I do this every day. I entertain myself. First of all, let's be honest. We all love entertainment. Movies, concerts, sports events, dinners out. But those costs add up quickly. If you're living on a budget or just want to save money, entertainment is one of those sneaky categories where you can save a ton. And the best part, you don't have to give up the fun. You just have to rethink what fun is. It's instead of spending $15 to $20 at the theater, create your own movie night at home. Pop your own popcorn, dim the lights, grab a blanket, and stream something you already have access to. Tubi is a good channel that offers free movies. And you can even theme it like an 80s night or a scary movie marathon or a comedy night. Invite friends and suddenly it feels like an event, not a downgrade. Sometimes you can just walk through your neighborhood and that can be a form of entertainment where you're just sightseeing or going to the city and see some of the spectacular things, window shop, things like that. But I live in a community and it's a gold mine for free entertainment. On Mondays, we have a farmer's market and a car show. On Thursdays, we have entertainment in the park where they have live bands. And there's always something going on in my town. But parks, they often host concerts, outdoor movie nights, or festivals that cost nothing or maybe just a few dollars. All you have to do is check your town's website or library bulletin board, and you'll be surprised at how many free experiences are waiting right outside your door. You don't have to go far, it's just right there in your community. Now, people sometimes laugh about having a board game night or a card game or even trivia nights at home. And these are fantastic and they cost next to nothing, maybe a little meal or snack. If you don't own games, tell your friends to bring over a game that they find fascinating or fun to play. And you can even play free online party games with friends virtually. Trust me, game nights usually end up belly laughs that no movie can beat. And you just create some of the best memories with these. Now, I almost went to the library yesterday. I didn't make it, but your library is one of the most underrated sources of entertainment. Beyond books, many libraries offer free DVDs, streaming services, music, and even workshops or classes. You're already paying for it through your taxes, so why not use it? So many people miss going to the library and they have so many activities at the library that you can do. And there are groups where you can meet up and you may go hiking, you may go walking, you may go bike riding, you may find people who want to do some of the same things outside that you want to do. You can go for a picnic or explore a park you've never visited. And that was something I did yesterday. I went to this park where I had never gone before. And I actually had a great conversation with the owner of the park. The park I went to had been there for 6 years. And this was my first time coming to this park. She was telling me about all the activities that go on in the park, and I had a great conversation with her. She showed me some of the things that you can see in the park. They had a little ferry set up where you could see the little ferry houses in the park. And there was a rock collection. And I loved collecting rocks when I was younger. As a matter of fact, my kids would collect the rocks for me. But this was one of the parks that I went to yesterday just to go outside and explore some of the things in my area, something that I normally don't do. But it was a lot of fun, and I really enjoyed being outside. And I actually saw another guy. I think he was doing the same thing I was. He was going, sitting, and taking a video or a picture, and then he'd go sit and take another video or a picture. I said, oh, he must be doing the same thing I'm doing. But you can do potlucks, themed dinners. Instead of going out to eat, host a potluck. Each friend brings a dish and you share a meal without the restaurant price tag. Want to make it even more fun? Pick a theme like Italian night or taco bar. Food becomes the entertainment itself. Look at the little berry garden. So pretty.
And there's this little rock garden if you go right there.
Are you serious? I used to collect rocks. Okay, I see it. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Awesome. I got rocks from when my kids were little. They grown men now. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Yeah, it's 12:36 now. Hey, is something growing? No, these red things or orange or whatever color they are.
Yeah, it looks like some kind of flower.
Yeah. All up in there. Oh, there's one. There. Oh, yeah. They're growing.
There were so many plants around here. At this home that was here,
Uh-huh.
they had a lot too.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is lovely. I got to see the rock garden and then I'll leave. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. You too. Thanks for the tour. Oh my gosh. So much rocks. Oh, look at the little rocks. Oh my God. Oh, so cute. Oh. There we go. Okay, there's a boat. There's a bunch of boats. Got a new bridge coming. Nice. If you want to try a new streaming service, don't forget about free trials. Just remember to cancel before it renews. I've done that so many times. I'm like, oops, I forgot to cancel that. But check Groupon or deal sites for discounted tickets to comedy shows, museums, or local attractions. You can still go out, just smarter. Entertainment isn't only about watching and consuming, it's about creating too. Write, paint, garden, dance in your living room, or learn an instrument. Not only is it fun, but it's fulfilling. And it often costs little to nothing to get started. So many people think entertainment equals money. But the truth is, the richest moments in life often cost the least. Think about it. If you have a picnic at home and your family is there, that's priceless. You can't spend money and buy that, because your family is just a wonderful thing to be able to spend time with your family. Joy doesn't come with a price tag. Joy is something that you find within yourself, and it's free. But if you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, a share, and give me your favorite frugal entertainment idea in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And don't forget to subscribe for more frugal living tips. Like, comment, and share. Until next time, remember, fun doesn't have to be expensive.